today we are making paper boxes, another fun paper craft. Lucas is going to teach me how to make these paper boxes. You can make lots of different things with them. This one is a dice.
This one is a chest. It's
so cute.
You can put stuff inside.
Adorable.
This is brick. Mario. And this is...
Love it. All right, so you're going to show me how to do this. You ready?
Mm-hmm.
All right, let's go. Here are the supplies we're going to need. You need paper. You could use any color. Lucas is making a mystery box, which is why he chose yellow. We're also using cardstock. It's going to make these a little more durable. We need a ruler, a pencil, and some tape. All right, so I am making a line at the top, and it's going to be 2 inches long. Right here?
Yep.
All right, 2 inches long. Oopsies. Okay. Next up.
Whatever number you chose at the beginning, you're going to multiply by 4. I'm starting right here, and I chose 2. 2 times 4 is 8. So I'm going to draw a line from 0 to 8. Here we go.
So you just have a rectangle, 2 by 8. Okay, so I'm going to come down here, and I'm going to make an 8-inch line on both sides, correct? So also 2 inches, beautiful. Okay. All right, so I zoomed in. I'm going 2 inches. I'm measuring 2 inches from the top, making a tick right there, coming on over, just because I want to make sure my line is straight. And then I'm going to measure 2 inches to the left and 2 inches to the right, and that's going to give me a total of 6 inches across total. So let's line that up. 1 all the way to 6. I'm going to do 2 inches down, 2 inches down on this side, straight, like Lucas said, as long as it's, thank you. All right. All right, Lucas, we cut out they look like crosses, don't they? All right, now what?
So, you see this? You are just going to fold this and make a nice clean fold until you hit that line right there. And then you're just going to fold that really nicely. And then do that again.
Okay.
And then retract that, just like so. And you're going to fold this one.
The left side goes in.
If it doesn't hit it, it's alright, because
top goes down.
It'll be really easy since we made those pencil marks earlier, and they'll just kind of fold in for you.
Okay. I'm going to use my professional folding tool. So this is going to go up to here. With the tool, comes out the same.
Unnaturally.
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 Okay, so let's head over to the overhead camera, and you can show us how to fold this. All right, now that we have made our folds, Lucas says not to tape it yet because we have to decorate it. So if you want to make yours into a die or a little, what did you call this?
Mystery box.
A mystery box.
I'm going to make mine a chest.
Oh, a chest. So this is the time to decorate while it's flat.
Okay, so the way this is going to work is the middle part, like the central area, is going to be your bottom. And if you're doing a mystery box like me, you are going to want to do like the 4 dots on the side. So you would do 1 in each corner like this. And the way this works is this one is going to be the roof, because if you think about it, this is the bottom, then this is going to be the top. So we are going to need to do the same thing there. the other boxes too to look like little nails that's holding it together. Alright, so when you have that, you're only going to want to have the big question mark on the sides. Since I don't have a white marker present, I'm only just going to be using black. So we're going to make a thick, blocky question mark like this.
Facing the middle, okay. All right, Lucas, what's our next step?
So you are going to turn it on upside down, because if it was like this, all the question marks and decorations would be out inside of the box. So we want all this ugly marker stuff to go inside of the box like this, so you can't see it as well. And first, we're just gonna start one by one by bringing these walls up. And it's your choice if you want to tape it from the inside or the outside.
Ooh, I'm gonna go from the inside. Good tip. Okay, so I guess put it sticky side down on the inside if you're doing it on the inside. Now doing it on the inside will keep it from showing on the outside of the box, right, Lucas?
Mm-hmm.
Beautiful. I love it. All right, Lucas, let's show our boxes.
So here.
I love them. Cheers. So cute. Thanks for showing me.